I am from a village. Can I speak English? There is few questions in every English learner's mind that I am from a village, I have studied from a Hindi medium and I don't have sources to learn English. Friends, these are only excuses. So don't make excuses. I am Rimjhim and you are watching Rimjhim English classes. In today's video, I will tell that how much effort I have put to learn English and how I learned English, which tips and tricks I have followed to learn English. I also belong to a village and I didn't pay any fee to any institution to learn English. I have started learning by myself so I can understand the problem of English learner who are living in village and in any backward place, that what problems you can face to learn English. So I will share. Apart from learning, in my initial time, I have also faced many problems. I was not able to understand English. I have doubt that could I speak English? Can I? But I have confidence also that yes, I can speak. I always try to make myself understand that believe on yourself, you can speak. And apart from learning English, I don't have other option because I can't go any institution to learn, so it is only the option to learn English by myself. I will elaborate that which uh, tricks I have followed, what was my approach to learn English, and how can you follow these tricks to learn English, how it will help you. Actually, it is just a language, it's not a rocket science that you can't learn. Yes, of course, you can speak English. You only you only need to do is hard work plus a smart work, because friends, hard work is necessary in every work. There is no substitution of hard work, but there is need to use some smart work and some smart strategies. By following that, you can learn English easily and simply. There is no need to make the things complicated. Avoid making the things complicated. Try to start speaking from simple words. Avoid using fancy words, because if you will try to speak fancy words and high level English, then you will get stuck in those things. So avoid those. I am villager, so I know that in villages people speak their regional language. There is lack of environment to speak English. People don't speak English, right? They used to speak regional language. Like if you are from Bihar, you can speak Bhojpuriya well. If you are from Tamil Nadu, then you are able to speak Tamil. If you are from, when it comes to English, then we start facing many problems, because our family members and in our neighborhood no one speaks English. In our local areas and in our neighborhood, people only use regional language. See, so we learn speaking our regional language simply and easily by listening and imitating. We don't need to put extra effort, because this language is in our environment. So we adopt those words and sentences easily and simply. But when it comes to English, it is quite difficult to learn because our regional language, our parents, family teach us to speak our regional language. Like in our childhood, they teach us that speak ma, papa, bhai, behan, but they didn't they don't teach us to speak English. There is lack of guide when it comes to English. So it is common to have a question that how can you start learning English? From where you should start to learn English? Don't focus on this that what are the requirements to speak English, to speak any language. It requires basic knowledge of English grammar, basic words. By learning that, you have confidence that yes, I can speak. By learning basic words, you can start making sentences. You can form these words in a sentence. After learning basic grammar rules and words, try to make environment surrounding you. Like I have made environment for myself. I started speaking with myself. I used mirror, and I also used to speak in front of my family, even my younger brother. Actually, I have a younger brother with whom I used to speak. Till now I am speaking, and when he listen, he appreciate me. He says that wow, you know how to speak English. I also want to learn, and I teach him how can you speak English. Even I teach him many words and about tense, and he has started speaking. So there is no one who can help you to learn. You are the only person who can help yourself. So start speaking with yourself. It is very necessary. Otherwise you can use any app. By using app you can talk to any person. And one more things, friend, if you really want to learn English, then start listening a lot. Listen any podcast, you can watch any English movie, you can watch TV shows, cartoon videos, and comedy shows as well. I used to watch comedy shows a lot because watching comedy shows is really helpful. You can get entertainment as well as you can learn words. After learning, you can imitate those words and sentences, because in villages, we know, friends, we don't have any partner, right? So imitation is really helpful for us, and practice with ourselves. Don't put off, friends, that I will start from tomorrow, I will start from day after tomorrow. Start from today onwards, because a startup is very necessary. And use your full potential, give your full potential to learn. Then definitely you would be able to speak. And thanks. It is about how can you do hard work plus smart work. How can you use tips and tricks in your English learning. So start your English learning process, friends. Start from small steps, because it is necessary. And the last is, thanks for watching my video and listening to me, friends.